spend time on one point that you'll see
The prana.
the air prana until you see it as a light. You see the longer you stay on one spot, the more you'll become more and more like light. So if not, you can take this moment to go outside from your home, office, wherever you are. If it's cloudy, you can still see it, but it's even better when it's a sunny sky, a blue sky, and the sun. Just look into the sky, and just fix in one point. You'll see, things that start moving. Just keep looking, and you start seeing that they'll become points of light moving around, and then you can see, the air vitality globules, air prana, and how it's like a golden light, dots of light moving around.
So when you see them with color?
What do you mean?
When I see them, they're like clear almost, right? It's
Uh-huh.
kind of clear. And then some parts are like denser than other parts.
Correct. So actually then good. I'm glad you asked me the question. So go outside and then just stare at the same spot. Don't move. The longer you look, the better, the more they'll come into focus.
Does that happen with all energy? The color?
I guess because you when you're looking for a longer period of time, until your eye gets accustomed, you can do that. But this is just easier to see. Go. But just try to see on one side.
I've like followed them, like you watch them.
Yeah, correct. But instead of just stay on one spot, and then let whatever comes into your visions, and you'll start seeing more and more brighter and brighter, and you'll start seeing the gold maybe. Although today it might be white because it's cloudy outside.
You can see it very lightly, but since the sun is almost about to set, it's harder to see. It's easier to see it with the sun.
So, but you guys, you guys went out. You saw something, yeah? Okay. A little bit. What is a little bit? Did you see something at all?
I just saw like a film, but I didn't saw like a specific lighting points or something.
Yeah, you have to stay looking for a long period of time. Like this was short. You guys coming back so soon. It was kind of short. So if you stay longer and longer, just fix on one spot, you'll start seeing.
Defocus your eyesight.
You can. I mean, once you start focusing on the dots, it'll automatically defocus.
But it's
From the
like
back?
lighting dots, like
Yeah.
tingling. Okay.
Yeah. So you start seeing them. But you did see what you said?
No, it wasn't that.
It wasn't the light, but you did see movement
Yes.
of the
yes.
energy. Okay,
The
cool.
movement, yes.
Yeah, movement is the
Like a
beginning.
kind of
You
flow,
start
but
seeing
nothing.
the movement,
Mhm.
and then you start seeing. People think it's their eyes or whatnot. But it doesn't always happen when you're like anywhere else. So.